guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 6 of my 12 days of planning, so we are halfway done. This is probably going to be the quickest video out of all of my 12 days. I am making a cute page of all of my favorite Christmas songs, and I am going to use this huge Mambi sticks, and we're just going to hop right into it. I already know exactly what I'm going to do, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I need to white out a little bit right here. And this is going to be like so adorable. Just kind of need to make sure that corner is not being shown at all. I've had this sticker for a while, but because it's so big, I felt like I really couldn't use it. So now I have like the perfect thing to use it for. So I gotta white out this whole thing. Favorite memories. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm actually not going to label this page. I initially thought about it, but I don't know, I'm not really feeling it. So what I'm going to do is use my little music notes. These are like the OG Mrs. Grossman stickers, if you guys remember those, from like way back in the day. And I'm just going to kind of put them around, and then right beside the music note, I'm going to put the title of the song. Okay, I am going to label it. I have these red letters back here, and I've been holding on to them, so I'm going to use them. I like it way more with it labeled. I really do. Okay, that's it. It's just something cute, something fun. I was thinking maybe I could add a few down here. Look how cute. I really, really like the title because that's my favorite font. That's why I've been holding on to those letters for so long, because it's my favorite. Look at this. It's just cute. Like, it's just a fun, quick, like, this was less than 10 minutes. It's just quick, it's fun, and I am loving my whole flip book. Like, it's just, it's cute, it's fun. Nothing crazy, but I am really, really, really enjoying making these videos for you guys. I've really, really, really been enjoying this. This video is going up later today, though, because today has been so crazy. We were trying to get last minute Christmas shopping done. So this is going up much later than normal, but I hope this video finds you well and you guys enjoy it. Maybe you can make one too. I would love for you to tag me on Instagram if you make something so I can see it too. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow for day 7? Day 7? That's crazy. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.